Eve, and I am up here at my mom and dad's house. We're getting ready to start cooking for our dinner tomorrow. I am going to be making a broccoli casserole this year, and I got the recipe from the Food Network website, courtesy of Deen. And I will put a link in the description box below to that website so that you can find the recipe if you want to make this. And we'll be able to review this better once it's done and we get to take a bite. So we'll let you know how it tastes. So first I'm going to empty both of these. It says on the recipe, it said 2 10-ounce bags of chopped frozen broccoli. But I couldn't find that, so I just got the broccoli florets from Walmart, and this is a 12-ounce bag. So I'm just going to empty both these bags into this pot and put 2 cups of water over it. And then I'm going to cook both over medium heat and double the minutes. So I done this according to what the bag said to do, and I put 2 bags in here, frozen broccoli florets. So I'm going to give it about 14 minutes with 2 cups of water added to it. For one bag it's 6 to 7 minutes, so since I put 2 bags in here, I'm going to give it 14 minutes, 12 to 14. Cover it and let it cook on medium heat. So while I'm waiting on my broccoli to get done, I'm going to go ahead and crush 2 cups of these Cheez-Its. So here makes my 2 cups of crushed crackers. Next, while my broccoli is finishing, it doesn't like long, just a few more minutes. Done got my crackers crushed up and measured out. I'm going to whisk with this fork 2 eggs. Oh, my broccoli is done now. Once I get that, I'm going to mix the broccoli and the eggs and the soup and the mayonnaise together and the cheese. And layer that in the bottom of the casserole dish and then top it with the crackers and the butter. So to my broccoli, I'm going to add the 1 cup of mayonnaise, the 2 beaten eggs, and 1 of these, I've got crackers on top of it, 1 of these cream of mushroom soups, and a 1/4 cup of the other one. The recipe called for 2 cups of shredded or grated sharp cheddar cheese. I found this little bag at Walmart. It was exactly 2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, so I'm going to add that in. The whole bag. So now I've got the broccoli, the soup, the eggs, the mayonnaise, and the cheese in. I'm going to mix it all together. I lightly sprayed the casserole dish just in case. The recipe didn't say to do that, but I done that for me. I'm going to start pouring in this broccoli mixture into the casserole dish, and then I'm going to sprinkle the crushed Cheez-Its on top and then drizzle the melted butter on top of that. Now I'm going to stick it in the oven and let it bake on 350 for 35 minutes. So my broccoli casserole just come out of the oven. This is what it looks like. I could have broiled it just a little. Maybe browned it on top a little bit. But we have a turkey in there and I don't want to mess that up. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And click the little bell for notifications of the next uploads we have. Thanks for watching and happy Thanksgiving. Mommy's gonna taste of this broccoli casserole. There's not much left. Let you know how it tastes.
Like the Colonel says, Kentucky Fried Chicken is finger looking good. That casserole is finger looking good.
So there you go. It's good. If you wanted a recipe that's broccoli casserole, then try this one because it's good. And it's by Deen. So everybody knows she's a good cook.
I don't wanna go. This is
Happy Thanksgiving.
so alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't